I'll send him a video.
Wow. That is wild. It is coming. Look, it's over here too. Look at that. This thing
is huge, Dad. Look at those clouds over there. They're moving so fast. That's my dad.
Wow. Look at that storm.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this.
Is it coming this way?
Yeah, it's coming this way right now.
Oh, shit.
There goes the sun.
Yep. Do you think it's gonna tornado?
I don't know.
Oh,
Look
wow.
over there. Wow.
Do you think it's gonna...
Just look how it's moving.
Yeah, I know. I'm watching. It's just all piecing all together. It's gonna hit on top of us. This is ridiculous.
Wow. Wow, look at this. I don't know, maybe I'm the only one fascinated by weather,
I'm
but
fascinated.
wow.
Oh, the storm's coming. I can feel it. Come to me, my lady. Wow, look at those clouds.
Yeah, here's
though.
the wind hitting. Oh, jeez.
Think it's gonna swirl into a tornado?
No, it's
Look
just
at
the
those
front.
clouds. They're so fluffy.
It's warm. Well, look at all that dirt. Woo! Oh, hang on, grab that. Go grab, put it in your phone, go grab that.